Students, in the previous episode, we have seen different definitions that are related to the circle. And in this episode, we will see the different formulae that are used to find the areas related to the circle. We know that the circle is nothing but the locus of the points at a certain distance from a fixed point. So remember how to find the area of this circle. Area of the circle is given by pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, r is radius of a circle, and pi is a constant term. It is circumference to the diameter. So pi is a ratio of circumference to the diameter, and this ratio is always constant, and we take this ratio as 22/7 or 3.14. So the area of the circle is pi r square, where pi is a constant term, that is 22/7 or 3.14, and r is the radius of the circle. Now, how to find the circumference of the circle? Circumference is nothing but the perimeter, and perimeter is a total length of the boundary, and this total length of the boundary is given by circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So the circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r. So the area is given by pi r square, and circumference is given by 2 pi r. Now we know that diameter is a line segment that divides a circle into two equal parts, and diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle and has endpoints on the circle. So we can call it as the longest chord of the circle. So the diameter that divides the circle into two equal parts, and therefore the area of the semicircle, this half portion is called as the semicircle, and the area of the semicircle is given by area of semicircle is equal to 1/2 pi r square. So total area of the circle is given by pi r square, and that of the area of semicircle is given by 1/2 pi r square, where r is a diameter, and diameter is nothing but twice of the radius. So diameter is equal to 2r. So the area of the semicircle is given by pi r square upon 2, and this diameter is equal to 2r. We have seen the formula for the area of semicircle. Now here we will find the perimeter of the semicircle. This is a circle, and this is the diameter. This diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, and therefore this circumference is also get divided into two equal parts. So this circumference will be half that of the total circle, and therefore the circumference of this semicircle will be given by circumference of a semicircle that is equal to half of circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. So 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to pi r. So circumference of a semicircle will be equal to pi r. But if you have to find the perimeter of a semicircle, then it will be equal to circumference of a semicircle plus diameter. The perimeter of the perimeter of a semicircle, that will be given by circumference of the circle plus diameter, because perimeter is the total length of the boundary. So diameter plus the circumference of semicircle will be the total length of the boundary, and so which is equal to circumference of semicircle is given by pi r plus diameter, that is 2r. So it will be given as r will be a common factor, so it will be 2 plus pi. So the perimeter of a semicircle is given by r into bracket 2 plus pi. Now this is a circle and this is the minor arc and this is the major arc, and the length of this arc is given by the formula length of the arc, that is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So the length of the arc is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now let us see how to find the area of this sector. This is the sector area bounded by the arc and the two radii, and the area of this sector is given by area of a sector, that is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of square into theta by 360, that gives you the area of the sector. So this is the sector and the area of this sector is given by theta by 360 into pi r square, that is into area of circle. Now the quadrant is a fourth part of the circle. So this is the quadrant and this is the fourth part of the circle, and the area of this quadrant is given by area of a quadrant, that is equal to 1/4 of area of circle. 1/4 of area of circle. So that is equal to 1/4 into pi r square, and therefore the area of quadrant is given by 1/4 pi r square. Now let us see how to find the area of the segment. The area which is bounded by the arc and the chord is called as the area of the segment. This is the segment and the area of this segment is given by area of minor segment, that is equal to into bracket pi into theta by 360 minus sine theta upon 2 close the bracket into r square. Theta is the angle between these two radius. Now students, we will stop here, and in the next episode we will see how to use these different formulae to solve different problems which are asked in class 10th of CBSE. Thank you very much.